We are here to condemn the heinous act of violence that was committed on one Honorable Godfrey Osotsi. Godfrey Osotsi is a peace-loving citizen. We saw what happened in Kisumu, and we know who organized the attack of Honorable Godfrey Osotsi in Kisumu. We know these boys. These boys belong to PS Raymond Omolo. He's the one financing these boys. He's the one breeding these goons in Kisumu, and is the one who has been moving around threatening the leadership of Linda Mwananchi. It is PS Omolo's boys who attacked Godfrey Osotsi, and this is a list of all these boys. Number one, there is a boy called Lucas Otieno, popularly known as Dogo, from Kisumu, attacked Osotsi. Pinga from Manyata and sometimes in Nyalenda. There's another one called Buddha from Nyalenda. There's Ronnie from Manyata. There's Alan Owako from Nyalenda. There's Kevin from Badis. There's Kalonje Carlos from Badis Nyalenda. There's Clean Quere. There's a Tito who was also there to film and also to attack. There's Boy Akoth. This is their leader. This is a notorious criminal in Kisumu. This is the person who's attacking people in Kisumu. He's the one who's financing them. He's the one who's being given money by Raymond Omolo, and is the one who coordinates attacks everywhere across the country. He moves from Kisumu, comes to Nairobi, hires goons. Raymond Omolo gives him money. He goes to Mombasa whenever there is a rally, he's given money to finance these goons. Kisumu, he finances these goons. There's Brian Otoyo, there's Dube, there's Novi, there's Ras Okeyo, there's Sam Molo, there's Bena Ziza, there's Ronnie. These boys are notorious in Kisumu, and we are giving them a warning. We grew up in Kisumu. We will not fear these boys. These are people who came to stay in Kisumu the other day. So these are the people who attacked. DCI, you don't need to do any investigation. You already have the CCTV footage. I've given you the names. These are the names of these boys. Anybody who has a problem with this list should proceed to court. I'm ready to cross-examine them there, including the PS. PS Raymond Omolo is a PS for insecurity and goons. He's the one who's been funding these goons. This is the man who's been causing mayhem and havoc in this country. So this PS must be dealt with immediately. Ruto, sack this idiot. This is the most useless person in your government. Kazi yake ni kuua vijana, akishawaua anajengea hao mabibi zao widows, atanawajengea manyumba. He's creating those widows so that he can construct houses for them. So huyu PS Raymond Omolo, this is the person you should summon in Senate. Huyu ndio mshenzi, huyu ndio mtu anafanya everything, huyu PS Omolo. So kama ni vita ya goons, goons will meet goons. They can't beat us at organizing goons. Who the hell do they think they are? So wacha tutakutana tena, tunakuja rally in Kisumu. Bring all your goons and also come there. We are going to organize for a rally in Kisumu after Nakuru. Hatutaki upuzi lazima ishe once and for all. We have to sort out the issue of goons once and for all. So our magoons, kujeni, will be ready waiting for you.